Hello, good afternoon. My name is Juan Manuel Hernández Vera. This is my final evidence, and today I will explain about the death penalty. What is the death penalty? It is a punishment to take the life of a person who has committed a serious crime. There is a perception of the effectiveness of the death penalty in reducing crime, avoiding more death in case the criminal is released on bail. Why is the death penalty? Because it's fair and it applies to serious crime, and it is argued that it disqualifies criminals of maintaining a fair and correct trial to avoid criminal conduct. The forms of death penalty. The first is the hanging. The second is electrocution. The 30 is gas chamber. The 14 is hanging. The 15 is lethal injection. This is more used in the USA. The 16 is shooting. In my conclusion is the death penalty world serves to deter offenders from committing crimes that result in the death of others. In addition, it will serve as an example for criminals to avoid killing signs. If the death penalty is legal all over the world, they will think better of committing these serious crimes. This is my final evidence. Thank you.